You're starting to hear back from colleges, and you have been accepted to more than one school. That's great, right? So why does this feel so stressful? I thought the stress was supposed to be over once you received your acceptance letters. In this video, I'm going to show you how taking a different perspective on things can make all the difference. Hi, I'm Carolyn Smith, and I'm here to help you with your college journey. If you stick around until the end, I will share with you my 5 tips for scholarship success. The college application process is kind of like running hurdles. You make it over the first one without face planting, and before you can take a sigh of relief, you see there's another hurdle and then another one. Choosing a college when you have been accepted to more than one may seem like yet another hurdle, but it's really not. It just requires a different perspective. Look, I know you're tired. This whole college journey has been going on for well over a year, and it seems to be the only thing you and your parents talk about. Well, first, let me say, you're doing a great job moving forward during a very difficult time. So give yourself a huge pat on the back for that. You have successfully completed the application process and you've been accepted to more than one school. It's understandable that making this choice would feel a bit overwhelming. Instead of feeling stressed, tell yourself this is really a good problem. Really? Yep, and here are 3 reasons why. Multiple acceptances mean you did a great job in high school. Stop and appreciate that. Not everyone receives good news from their college applications, even students who also did a great job in high school. You did a great job on your college applications. Those applications were certainly difficult, and we all know it. Think about all the essays you wrote and take some time to feel good about what you accomplished. Chances are all of the schools on your list will be a great fit for you. As you enter into this next decision-making phase, remember that you applied to those schools for valid reasons. When you feel your stress level beginning to rise, remind yourself that these are all good schools that will serve you well. Change the way you look at your situation, and I can guarantee you the road ahead will look much brighter. You are entering into a very exciting time in your life. Make sure you remind yourself of that. I have another video I'd like for you to watch where I show you the elements you need to consider when making your decision. I'll put the link above. And just like I promised, here are my 5 tips for scholarship success. I know searching for scholarships is a lot of work, so hopefully these tips will help make it easier. Number 1, keep a record of scholarship deadlines and when the winners will be notified. Number 2, set a goal regarding the application process. Here are a couple of examples, such as, I will apply for scholarships from 3 to 5 every day. Or, I will fill out 2 scholarship applications per week. Figure out what works for your schedule and stick to it. Number 3, think about your strategy. The smaller the pool of applicants, the higher your chances will be of walking away with some money. Following that logic, make sure you are applying to local as well as national scholarships. Number 4, check with your parents' employer. They may have a scholarship program. Check with Uncle Robert or Aunt Kristen. Ask if their employers offer any assistance. Number 5, be aggressive in your search. Ask your guidance counselor for scholarship advice. Research past scholarship winners. If you know someone from the previous senior class who had success in winning scholarships, reach out to them for advice. Check with your local places of worship and the Chamber of Commerce to see what might be available. Below, you'll find lots of helpful links, so be sure and check those out. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons. Let me know in the comments below what you found helpful. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, I'm always cheering for you.